You ever feel like you're working hard, but your wallet just never seems to catch up? Like every month, you're running a race against bills, debts, and dreams that seem just out of reach? Trust me, you're not alone. Today, let's break the cycle together. Welcome to our channel, where we help you spot financial traps and build habits that actually grow your money. If you're tired of feeling stuck, you're in the right place. Habit 1. Eating out too often. Those quick meals add up fast. Think $10 here, $15 there. By the end of the month, you've spent your grocery budget twice over. Habit 2. Impulse shopping. It's easy to grab that cool gadget or sale item, but ask yourself, do you need it or is it just filling a moment? Habit 3. Carrying credit card debt. Interest sneaks up, turning small purchases into big problems. Pay more than the minimum whenever you can. Habit 4. Not saving automatically. If you wait until the end of the month to save, there's usually nothing left. Automate it, even if it's just $5 a week. Habit 5. Paying bills late. Those late fees are money that could be yours. Set reminders or auto pay to stay ahead. Habit 6. Saying yes to every social plan. It's hard to turn down fun, but sometimes your bank account needs you to. Habit 7. Forgetting about subscriptions. Monthly charges for stuff you don't use drain your cash quietly. Review them and cancel what you don't need. Habit 8. Comparing yourself to others. Trying to keep up leads to overspending and disappointment. Focus on your own goals. Habit 9. Ignoring your financial statements. If you don't know what's coming in or going out, you're flying blind. Check your accounts at least once a week. Habit 10. Not budgeting. Without a plan, money slips through your fingers. Track your spending and set limits. Future, you will thank you. Breaking these habits isn't about being perfect. It's about making small changes that add up. Start with just one habit this week. Imagine where you could be in a year. Ready to take the first step?
Want to prove this content works? Just $1 tells us you're not just watching, you're winning.